Uyghurs are now living in a virtual police state where you have cameras on every street corner, where you have artificial intelligence, huge data streams flowing into databases that are being used for predictive policing to think this person is behaving different than they behaved yesterday. There's examples of people who didn't enter through the front door, but the house through the back door. And then this flags an alert at the police station. China is rapidly developing cutting-edge surveillance technology. It's becoming a world leader in terms of facial recognition that relies on three-dimensional technology, and then big data analysis. Smart city technology means that you are covering an entire city in cameras, in surveillance, in police information systems and databases. All the checkpoints that the Uyghurs have to go through, they swipe the ID, there's a facial recognition scan, there's airport-like scanners. All of this information, as I said in the video, is being combined. One of the most scary aspects, though, is the visiting relatives program, whereby hundreds of thousands, even 1 million of Chinese government officials on a regular basis are visiting the homes of Uyghurs, spending time with them, staying overnight, asking them questions. Official government documents even say that this way the local people cannot hide what they really feel or think. They're asking questions. They give them pork to eat and see if they will take it or not. Of course, as a Muslim, they're not supposed to do that. This way, the Chinese are trying to find if people really believe in Islam, if they're conforming to communist ideology or not. All the information that they gather during these very intrusive family visits is being entered into this police app that Human Rights Watch was able to reverse engineer.
Well, I'd like to
Xi Jinping has created, Mr. Speaker, one of the worst human rights tragedies on the face of the earth. Xi Jinping and his government are directly responsible for these crimes against humanity. Our hope is that a reckoning is coming, but only if the international community stands up to China.